Friends, good morning. Let us study about sound chapter. Do you know about sound? The sensation felt by your ear is sound. Yes, it's correct. Sound is a form of energy that enables us to hear. Every object has its special sound, and the instruments are tabla, guitar, flute, and harmonium. These are the musical instruments have their own special sound. And how the sound is produced by vibration of an object. In other words, vibrating object produces sound can be produced by following method. One is vibrating strings, and second one is vibrating air columns. Third one is vibrating membranes. Fourth one is vibrating plates. And how human produces the sound? Human being produces a sound because of vibration of his voice box, that is also known as vocal cord. It is also known as larynx. Okay. There are two stretched membrane attached to the larynx with a narrow slit between them, and the vocal cords are stretched across the voice box or larynx in such a way that it leaves the narrow slit between them or passage of air. When the lungs are force the air through the slit, the vocal cord vibrate, producing the sound. The vocal cord vibrate, producing the sound. Muscle attached to the vocal cord can make the cords tight or loose. When the vocal cord are tight and thin, the type of quality of voice is different from that when they are loose and thick. Okay. Propagation of sound. Sound cannot propagate in the absence of media. Sound travels through the solid, liquid, and gases. It requires the media. In the absence of air, it won't work. In case of moon, it cannot hear a sound on moon because there is no air on moon. There is no air on moon to carry the sound waves or sound variation. The speed of the sound is 340 meters per second in air, and sound travels slowest in gases, faster in liquid, and faster in solid. And let us study about how sound needs a medium. We hear a sound through our ears. In human ear, sound travels in the form of waves of vibrating air molecule. The ear has three parts: outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. The eardrum is a like stretched rubber sheet. Sound vibration makes the eardrum vibrate. The eardrum sends the vibration to the inner ear. From there, the signal goes to the brain. That is how we hear. Okay. It consists of the pinna, ear canal, eardrum, or tympanum. The pinna gather the sound waves and then leads to the air canal from where they strike out. Middle ear. The vibration from the eardrum are transmitted to three closely packed bones are called hammer, anvil, and stirrup. These three bones finally transmit the vibration to the inner ear. Inner ear. This consists of cochlear, which is a long coil tube. It contains a fluid and has a numerous cells with hair. These sensitive hair cells transmit the vibration to the brain through the auditory nerves for the brain and to register the sound.